Introduction.
Alam ko na tong part na to.
Okay, right now what's playing is my hey. Okay, we start right here. For the right foot. Your left foot, since this car is automatic, your left foot is lazy. It will not do anything. See? You just put your left foot in this side like this, and only the right foot will do the work. The one at the middle is the brake.
Middle is the brake.
And then at the right side is the accelerator, meaning if you want to increase the speed, you step it on slightly only. Okay? Clear? Any question?
None.
Okay. When you change the gear, you must step on the brake. Okay, otherwise you cannot change your gear. See? Cannot, huh? See? So if you step on the brake, not so hard. See? See? Like this. You go to drive. Okay? Idiot guy. Okay, then when you see, when you release the brake, even you don't step on the accelerator, it will move forward.
Oh.
No, it will not, because they have brake. Press it and brake. See. So you must step on the brake to make it stop. See? Are you listening?
Yes. I can review
You want to
anytime.
go this way, you turn the wheel
Bluetooth.
this way. Huh?
Where's the
See?
Tagalog version?
And slowly, see?
Then boom.
I'm only stepping on the brake, not yet on the gasoline. And then if you want to go, you step slowly on the accelerator like this. Slowly. You move faster like this, see? Then when you stop, you step on the brake. No need to change this position here, except when you go backward. See? Forward again, step on the gas. Just hold this way, hold 10 o'clock or 10 o'clock, 10 minutes, 10:10 like this. 10:10.
10. Slow.
10.
10.
10 o'clock is this way, so 10:10. See? Can you move forward like this? Move. You look at the direction. Move forward. Eyes on the front. And if you want to turn to the right, you turn the wheel to the right slowly. You step on the brake. You want to stop like this. And then you turn, step on the gas slowly. Like that. See? Then you go. Step on the brake. Slow down.
Dismissal.
Then
Exam na.
accelerator like this. And then you want to go here, we'll see the house of God.